Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure your Vivo phone already has at least one fingerprint registered in system settings because WhatsApp uses that system biometric. Once done, update WhatsApp and grant basic permissions. This avoids unexpected prompts. Then open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings, Account, Privacy without delay. You're setting the stage so WhatsApp can call the phone's biometric API. After you reach Privacy, you'll be ready to flip the fingerprint lock switch and continue with the on-screen confirmations. Once you toggle fingerprint lock on, WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm the same fingerprint already stored in the Vivo system. Touch the sensor when asked. Then choose an auto-lock interval, set immediately for maximum security or a short delay for convenience. Make sure to pick whether notifications show message previews while locked. This balances privacy versus quick glanceability. If WhatsApp asks for device credential as a fallback, accept it. This keeps access available if the fingerprint fails temporarily. You're almost done. Lock WhatsApp and reopen it to test the fingerprint prompt. Press the sensor and confirm the app unlocks. If things go wrong, first clean the sensor and re-enroll the fingerprint in Vivo settings. Physical dirt or changed finger placement causes most errors. If failures persist, make sure WhatsApp is updated, grant biometric permission, and clear app cache or restart the phone. One key tip: re-enroll with multiple angles of the same finger to improve recognition reliability over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.